Hey everyone, welcome back to Famous Gadget, where we bring you the latest tech deals, reviews, and tips. Today, we've got something super exciting for all you smart home enthusiasts out there. Amazon's Echo Spot just dropped to an incredible $55. That's a deal you don't want to miss. Let's dive in and see what makes the Echo Spot such a great buy at this price. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a great deal like this one. Now, let's talk about what the Echo Spot can do and why this new price point is a game changer. So, what exactly is the Echo Spot? If you're not familiar, the Echo Spot is one of Amazon's smart devices equipped with Alexa, Amazon's voice-controlled assistant. It's designed to be a compact, versatile, and stylish gadget that can fit almost anywhere in your home. Whether you place it on your nightstand, kitchen counter, or desk, the Echo Spot is your go-to device for everything from checking the weather to playing your favorite tunes. Plus, it has a screen, which is something not all Echo devices have. This means you can do even more with it. Screens showing different features of the Echo Spot. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features of the Echo Spot. Compact and stylish design. The Echo Spot has a sleek, circular design with a 2.5-inch screen. It's small enough to fit anywhere but big enough to be useful. It's available in black and white, so you can choose the color that fits your style. Voice controlled with Alexa. Just like other Echo devices, the Spot is powered by Alexa. You can ask it to play music, control your smart home devices, set alarms, make to-do lists, and even order products from Amazon. Video calling. With the Echo Spot, you can make video calls to friends and family who also have an Echo device with a screen or the Alexa app. It's a great way to stay connected, especially if you're far from your loved ones. News briefings and weather updates. Get your daily news flash and weather updates just by asking Alexa. The Echo Spot displays this information on its screen, making it easy to glance at. Music and entertainment. You can stream music from popular services like Spotify, Amazon Music, and Apple Music. You can also watch video content from sources like Amazon Prime Video, or just ask Alexa to show you movie trailers. Smart Home Hub. The Echo Spot can also act as a hub for your smart home devices. Control your lights, thermostats, cameras, and more with just your voice. If you have other smart devices in your home, the Echo Spot can integrate seamlessly with them. Why $55 is a great deal. Echo Spot next to a price tag showing $55. Alright, now let's talk about the price. The Echo Spot originally launched at a much higher price, but now it's available for just $55. That's a massive discount, and here's why this price point makes it a must-buy. First, at $55, you're getting a fully featured smart display for less than the cost of a night out.
Bringing your device online. Just a moment. Your Echo is ready.
For those of you who want to dip your toes into the world of smart home devices, this is an incredibly affordable entry point. Echo Spot compared to other smart displays. Compared to other smart displays on the market, the Echo Spot offers great value for its price. While it might not have the biggest screen, its versatility and functionality more than make up for it. Plus, it's perfect if you're looking for a device that doesn't take up too much space. Echo Spot being used in different scenarios. Who is it for? Different people using the Echo Spot. So, who is the Echo Spot for? Well, it's perfect for anyone looking to add a smart device to their home without breaking the bank. It's especially great for tech enthusiasts. If you love tech and want to explore what smart home devices can do, the Echo Spot is a great addition to your setup. People with limited space. Because of its compact size, the Echo Spot is ideal for small apartments, dorm rooms, or any place where space is at a premium. Families. The Echo Spot is also a great option for families. It can be used as a communication device, a central hub for controlling smart home gadgets, or even as a source of entertainment for kids. Gift buyers. At $55, the Echo Spot makes a fantastic gift. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just because it's a thoughtful and useful present that's sure to be appreciated. How to get the deal? Now that you're excited about the Echo Spot, here's how you can get your hands on one for $55. Visit Amazon. Simply head over to Amazon.com or use the Amazon app. Search for the Echo Spot and you should see the discounted price. Check for deals. Sometimes, Amazon offers additional deals like free shipping or bundling discounts when you buy other smart home devices. Keep an eye out for those to maximize your savings. Prime members. If you're an Amazon Prime member, you might also get additional benefits like faster shipping or exclusive discounts. So make sure to log into your account before purchasing. Don't wait too long. These deals don't last forever, so if you're interested, it's best to act quickly. Once the stock runs out or the promotion ends, you might miss out on this great price. To wrap things up, the Echo Spot at $55 is a deal that's hard to pass up. It's a versatile, compact, and stylish smart device that fits perfectly into any home. Whether you're new to smart home technology or looking to expand your current setup, the Echo Spot is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, unboxing, and deals. Let me know in the comments if you plan on picking up the Echo Spot, or if you already have one, share your experience with us.